today I'm addressing something that you all have been asking me. How do you get the perfect pleats? Let me show you how I get my perfect pleats. So there are 2-3 ways of making it. First, if you're used to making it like this, please go ahead. There's no problem in making it like this. But I want to make it easy, so I'm going to show you an easy way. So you take this and you flip and you hold. Okay? You flip this and you hold. You flip and you hold and you flip and you hold. And you take all this fabric from here equally. Done? Together? You bring this here and attach this on the chair with a peg. You definitely have a chair like this or a chair like this at your place, and these pegs are specially made to hold your heavy sari. You've done this. What you need to do is take your sari like this and just make your pleats like this. See? And then use another peg and fix this and take this off and throw it behind. After you've done that, take this like this and start making your pleats. See how easy it is, and get all of them together. And just do this. Take this peg from here, lock this here. Now take this out from here, remove the peg, attach a pin here on your shoulder, pleats, like this, behind, bring this here, this is your shoulder pleats, throw it on your shoulder, adjust the pleats here, and that is it. No ironing, no pressing, nothing is required. This is done. This is done, and you get perfect pleats. But the 2 things that you need is, one, a safety pin to secure it, and the second is the pegs.